Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Jessica Jones Tutorials. I'm so excited you guys are here because today we are playing with some really bomb makeup, okay? And you're gonna get to see me create this crazy creamsicle, popsicle looking eye look, which is also themed for the 4th of July. So we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So if you're new to my channel, I am Jessica Jones and this is Jessica Jones Tutorials. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and I'll wait. Take your time. Okay, are you done yet? Okay, awesome. Because we want to make sure that you don't miss out on all the future videos that I create, okay? Also, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Whether you're old subscriber or new, thank you so much. It means the world. Today, we are doing something amazing. We are using the new Thirsty Palette by Jeffery Star. Hand applause. Yes. I'm really excited. This is such a gorgeous palette. Ever since I saw it come out, I was like, wow, that packaging looks freaking bomb. These shades look freaking bomb. And it's been a while since I've been so excited for a new palette where the colors just drew me in. I thought this was like perfect for summer. And I've been wanting to do a lot more bright looks. So I feel like this was a really good choice. It did come in this Unicard that was a little more of a darker orange. Both of them have the water droplets on them, which I really, really like. I also, I did a thing. I got some of the Jeffery Star Velour Liquid Lipsticks, and I've never tried them before. In fact, I've never tried anything from Jeffery Star. I know, don't murder me at the cross, okay? But we are about to try these out together today. So there's so many fun looks you could do with this for sure, but I wanted to do something because the 4th of July is right around the corner. I wanted to give you guys some inspo, maybe not your traditional 4th of July colors, and maybe just take it up a notch, right? I mean, in the beauty world, anything goes. Anyways, guys, grab your brushes, sidle up to a chair, a table, get comfy. We're about to jump into this video, create this eye look, you know, test out some lipsticks. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First things first, I went ahead and put foundation on my face, some concealer, and lightly powder. That's all I've done so far. What I am going to do is go in with this sponge. I don't remember what it's called, but they're at Sephora, and dip it into some powder just to catch any potential fallout that could possibly occur. And I'm just going to put that right here. And I really like this one in particular for doing a sharp line. I also really like it for cleaning up my jawline after contouring. It's a really good sponge for that. With this red, white, and blue look, all I've done is put concealer on my eye, and I'm gonna use Parched. Just makes me want to drink something. I'm gonna use the shade Parched as a transition shade, and of course it has such an amazing, huge mirror. I'm like, yes. It's always very frustrating when beauty brands don't give you a mirror. It's like, how am I supposed to travel with this? What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do? Because when I go to hotels, the lighting in the bathroom is like horrible. I cannot deal, and I need a window. And at the window, is there a mirror? No. So I appreciate this. Thank you. I'm just using this Morphe M518 brush, and this is going all over the lid. It's literally my skin color. I'm gonna go in with this unnamed Morphe brush. It's just kind of big, fluffy brush, rounded at the end. And we're gonna first start off with blue. We're gonna do blue, red, white, just like the red, white, and blue popsicle that Jeffery Star has as one of his little mirrors. But we're gonna start with this submerged shade right here. And it's looking very pigmented. Oof. So we're gonna put this just in the outer corner, and we're gonna pack this on, leaving the center of the eye blank. This is really pigmented. I'm really surprised. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side. You know what this color is doing? It's completely reminding me of, remember like after soccer games you would eat those blue and green Gushers? You guys remember Gushers? and they would just have that blue, almost looked like blue blood that would just dribble out of that gusher when you bit into it. And they were so good. I wonder if they still have gushers. But this is reminding me of the blue gusher. The blue is laid down. Now we're going to go in with Bitch Please. I'm going to use the Morphe M518, that same brush that I used to put down that parched shade. I just have to say it like that every time I say it, parched. And we're going to go ahead and place this in the center of the lid. Now I'm going to go back in with that blue shade and blend, blending back and forth to get synchrony. Am I starting to look like a popsicle? All right, you guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm gonna go in with Divine. I'm gonna use a flat brush. I always like to use the ones by Urban Decay. And I'm going to spritz this with some Fix Plus before going in. That way everything is nice and tight. Okay, Divine, you better be Divine. You're the star of the show. And if the brush doesn't work, I used my finger earlier and it was good. Whew! I'm gonna drag a little bit of that silver, not adding any more to the brush again, but just dragging it over the red. All right, now that's the lid. I'm going to wipe away this powder, go ahead and bronze my face, and then we're gonna work on the under eye, so 1 second. So I'm thinking for the bottom lid, I'm gonna go in again with this Divine shade. All right, now I'm actually gonna take this brush dry and I'm gonna dip this in, and I'm gonna kind of almost act as if the inner corner is like sparking, right? So I'm gonna almost drag some of that sparkly Divine shade, and you'll see, I'm gonna make it look like it's exploding onto the rest of the eye, so we have a little more cohesion. I think it looks super fun. So now what we need to do is liner, because right now my eyes look super weird. So I'm gonna go in with a coal black liner. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Eye Gel Crayon. And next is liner and lashes, and we'll be right back. All right, lovelies, that is this eye look, and I literally look like a popsicle. I really like this palette. I'm really excited to do, there's so many different looks I can do with this. I didn't dabble into any of the yellow, I've been dying to do a yellow look, and I'm probably gonna do that after this. So I'm gonna dabble into more of this for sure, but the shades I used, very pigmented, very nice. I like it a lot. Just in time for the 4th of July. I also got from Jeffery Star a few lippies, so I'm excited to try these out as well. So let's go through these. The first one I got was the Soft Serve. This is a light pink. I also got this shade. It is 818, much more of a bubblegum pink. And then I also got this orange shade. This is in shade Coral Fixation, and we're gonna try all of them on right now. Let's start with Soft Serve. Okay, so that is Soft Serve. What do you guys think? Let's try on another shade. The next shade to try on is 818. Here you have this gorgeous bubblegum pink shade. All right, shall we try the last shade? dying. Literally dying. It's really easy to over dry your lips with this, which I love because I always over dry my lips. At least most of the time. I definitely look like a clown now, but I love this lip color. I'm dying for it. It is fantastic. Without the eyes, just look at this color. Just like look at it. Oh, so beautiful. Then with the eyes, it's like, okay, it doesn't really go with it. So let's take this off, find a lip color that matches the 4th of July theme and go with that. All right, you guys, here is the final look. What do you think? Do you think it's fun for 4th of July? I kind of like it. Like, it's not your typical red, white, and blue shades, but I think it totally worked. So, overall, this Thirsty palette, I loved the lipsticks. I absolutely loved. I think these are gonna look amazing on pretty much anybody, and I love the color range that we have here. Like, it takes a lot to get me excited for a palette these days. I don't know what it is, but you know, the palettes that have been coming out, I really think a lot of it has to do with the packaging. Like, the formulas seem pretty good, the colors are like okay, but it takes a lot to get me to be like, I want that. And I don't know what it is, but Jeffery Star campaign for this was like, I was just like salivating. So I was super excited, and I'm really glad it didn't disappoint. I've heard how good his formulas are, and they really are. They're amazing. So I totally recommend you guys to buy this. And if you liked this look, you had fun with us today, do me a huge favor. It really helps me out if you give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome, and I appreciate that. And if you want to continue to see tutorials, videos, things like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on next week's tutorial. All right, guys, that's it. Have a wonderful 4th of July. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.